Some of the mistakes that you should avoid after being involved in a rideshare accident are similar to the mistakes that you should avoid in other injury cases. And number one is not getting a report of what happened at the accident scene. And typically you want to have a police report because the police report is going to get a lot more detail than you would probably be able to get on your own. And what I mean by that is the police report will include VIN numbers of the vehicles, will include the names of the owners of the vehicles, names of the drivers of the vehicles, and all of those details, which typically will be very hard for somebody to get on their own. Another mistake that people make after being involved in a rideshare accident is not documenting the scene of the incident. Even though you may not be driving at the time of the rideshare accident, you still want to do your best to get as much evidence as possible at the scene of the incident, whether that's taking photographs of the damages to the vehicles, whether that's finding out who was a potential witness to the case, finding out as much as you can about the intersection, the traffic control devices, so that you have a record of all of those things. Because once the vehicles get taken away, once the scene gets cleared, once the vehicles get fixed, all of that evidence is gone forever. And if you didn't get it in time, you're not going to be able to get it again. And then finally, not getting the medical treatment that you need as quickly as possible, because the only way for us to be able to prove your case and to prove your damages is with medical records. And if you don't have medical records, then it becomes much more difficult to prove your case. And the longer you take in getting the medical attention that you need, the more likely it is that the insurance company is going to use that against you and try to limit your claim or limit the value of your claim by saying that you didn't get treatment on time, and so your injuries probably aren't as severe. So those are some of the issues or mistakes that people can make when they've been involved in a rideshare accident.